Apa lagi kan Noize? Ini.
Nata karon dani sa balay sa kapitan sa Sorosoro si Kapitan
Culminas.
Barangay Captain Culminas. Kanilang naman ay ipakaon sa amo kay wala na daw sila lain, no? Wala na daw sila lain pero unsa na lang ka, no?
Kapag din nga pizza ka meat mo chill drinks mo ta. Pakita. Atras.
Bira. Nanatadanin sa may Sorosoro. Sa barangay Sorosoro, Mambahaw.
Camiguin.
Kauban na to si DJ Noize again.
All the others row the boat slow while I crank up the motor. Here we go, let's start the show. I'm the show boater. The entrance of the eminent with a brilliant ability that's evident. Who feels your pains as you now know you haven't a chance? I've had it with those who flow with a transparent talent. The thumpy clumpy rhyme skill of an elephant. Poets of any age who should be thinking about retirement. A skill that's transparent is a skill that you haven't. I'm the standard setter and I lack compassion. My skills unmeasured and better than the competition. Your rhymes are rotten. That's why you're forgotten. Forget the dog's bollocks, you're the dog's bottom. I have a hyperactive mind that will leave you behind. It's not that I'm being unkind, but simple minds can't find the words to bind. People like you stumble over the single syllable rhyme. I started writing and I'm unstoppable. It's easy, it's natural. You're a hangover fart that lingers and smells like a Holocaust chemical. I'm superhuman. I'm causing confusion. It's amusing how you need a supervision to point out you're losing. You need to train your face to look humble when defeated. I'm on mission to book first place, to applaud when I'm awarded. Clap your victory and stand, don't remain seated. Accept it and expect it. Or quit now while you have time to forfeit. I wonder if you blunder under the sound of my thunder, if it's misheard. I've got a box of frost to start biting if it's quander. And you carry on like a fighter? I'll strike you with the lightning, one way or another. You will not write or use a typewriter. Respect the perspective that my rhyme is perfected. And to conclude your rhyme is rejected. Not to be rude, but your seed is to be ejected. It's not that you're bad, it's just that I'm majestic.